Hey guys, Dr. Anthony Gustin here, and one of the top things that I get asked all the time is, isn't the ketogenic diet just a fad? Ah, man. Is your metabolism a fad? I don't think so. And so this is one of the things where, like, looking at the course of human history, 2 million plus years, we have been in a state of ketosis rather often. And so this is probably the most common diet that we've had over the course of the last 2 million years. And so if 2 million years is a fad, then I guess you can count it as such, but that's just what it is. And so we as humans, for a very long period of time, went through these extreme droughts of food where we didn't have food, we had to go hunt, we ate a lot of stuff. And just looking at where carbohydrate sources were in our diet as humans for the last 2 million years, minus the last 10,000 years, it was essentially nothing. And so we were eating wild animals and we were foraging wild plants. So yeah, some of those plants did have carbs, but generally speaking, we were doing a lot more fasting, which by definition puts you in a state of ketosis, and we were just not eating nearly even as close as amount of carbohydrates as we do now. What happened then is that we invented farming, we had all these cheap crops come up, wheat, rice that could feed the masses, which was a great thing. We didn't want people to starve and die. The thing is, now that we have more options than that, people think that that's what we should be eating all the time to reach full and maximum health. So we're kind of tapping in with a ketogenic diet back to what we used to be doing and eating for a very, very long period of time, literally millions of years. And so that's why I don't think it's a fad diet. Also, another thing about that is that it's a metabolic state. Ketosis is not, there are no real beliefs, it's a scientific fact. Are you burning ketones for energy? Are ketones, the breakdown of fat, circulating in your bloodstream or not? That is not a fad, it's just a fact. So this is something that you can measure. So again, not a fad. It's not something that is going to go away. It doesn't matter if it's going to be 100 years from now, 300 years from now. If people restrict carbohydrates, their metabolism will start burning ketones. So it's impossible for ketosis in ketogenic diet to be a fad. And the great thing about it is now we're getting a lot of research that shows the benefits of switching out and going into a state of ketosis on a regular basis. And so absolutely not a fad. Sorry for all you haters out there, but that's just the way it is. So if you have any comments or questions about the longevity of ketosis, if it's healthy or not, pop them below in the comments. And then if you have any questions for me personally, hit me up on Instagram. I answer every single one of them. So Dr. Anthony Gustin on there. And we will see you guys next time.